Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You're good. That's nice. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 1. We are learning Unit 5. Its title is Apple Pie. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today under the title of reading skill, we are going to learn 10 little pencils. And before this, in your primer, in your mathematics primer, you have learned about ordinal numbers, right? So beta, now you can write numbers and you can write ordinal numbers. You are familiar with this. So one more thing which we are going to learn about numbers today is, so you can recognize these numbers as numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? Okay. So our today's SLO is to write numbers from 1 to 10 in words. You can write numbers in numbers, and today we learn to write numbers in words. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 29, He is the one who created for you what is in the earth all. Moreover, He turned to the heaven and fashioned them 7 heavens, and He for everything is all-knowing. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us? Beta, the first thing this verse is telling us that Allah is one. There is only one Allah. And second thing, how many heavens are there? There are 7 heavens. So now, my dear children, look at this. These are numbers. 1, when you write it in numbers, 7 when you write it in numbers, and this number can be written in words. This is what we can see here, and we are going to learn it today. Okay, so let's recall, brainstorm. How do we find out what are numbers? When we count 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what number is. So when we count something, we write it in numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we count and we write in numbers. This is so far we know. The next thing we are going to learn is to write that number in words. This way we say 1 and we write it in digits 1. We can write it in words 1, O-N-E 1, which means 1. When we count 1, we write it in numbers. We can write it in words O-N-E 1, right? 2, 1, 2. So we write it in numbers 2 and we write in words T-W-O 2, which means 2, 2 in numbers. 3, 1, 2, 3. We write in numbers 3 and we write in words 3, T-H-R-E-E 3, 3 in numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4 in numbers, and F-O-U-R 4 in words, 4, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write in numbers 5, and how do we write in words? F-I-V-E 5, 5, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in numbers and S-I-X 6 in words. 6, 6 and 6. Right? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in numbers and SEVEN, 7 in words. 7, 7 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in numbers and EIGHT, 8 in words. 8, 8 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in numbers and NINE, 9 in words. 9, 9 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 in numbers and TEN, 10 in words. 10, 10 and 10. So this is how we count, we write in numbers and we can write in words as well. Right? Are you clear with the concept? Okay. So all of you open your book, let's read this beautiful poem and find out numbers. Its title is 10 Little Pencils. Counting time, it's counting time. So let's all sing this simple rhyme. 10 little pencils in a row. 10 little pencils in a row. Now let's count them nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? This is how we count it and this is how we write it. Okay, the spellings are here. We just learned it and this is how we write these numbers from 1 to 10. So how many pencils? 10 little pencils all lined up in a row. Right? So beta, this is how we can write numbers in words. So it's time to learn it through an activity. What we are going to do? Where are the numbers? What you would need? Sand, paper, markers and small container. This is an activity that encourages kids to search and sort numbers from 1 to 10. So what we will do? Take enough sand in a small container. Okay, teacher will place sand in a container and after that cut paper into smaller pieces and write the numbers 1 to 10. And teachers, I suggest write in numbers and in words both. Then hide all these paper pieces in sand and students have to search all the numbers and arrange from 1 to 10 in order. So the student who does it earliest will be the winner of this activity. Okay, so pause the video, enjoy this activity and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Now all of you can spell from 1 to 10. Are you sure? Okay, I'm going to check it. All of you. Now look at this. Once again, let's revise. ONE 1, TWO 2, THRW 3, FOUR 4, FIVE 5, SIX 6, SEVEN 7, EIGHT 8, NINE 9, and TEN 10. So in this way, you will write numbers from 1 to 10 in words in your notebook. So pause the video, complete this task in your notebook and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job, you are smart. Now I'm going to give you a homework. It's a project. What you will do? You will make a poster of numbers 1 to 10 and you will bring this poster by coming Monday to your school. This is your homework, all right? And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan and PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what you will do? You will trace these numbers first, and then you will write these numbers in words on your own. So in this way, what we have learned, we learned to write numbers from 1 to 10 in words. In this way, we achieved our SLO to write numbers from 1 to 10 in words. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, and take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.